...2015 65 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We have LED headlights, black kidney grills. We also have M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear diffuser and boot spoiler. And let's look at another alloy wheel. We have privacy glass on the rear. We also have M badging on the side, as well as black window trim, shark fin antenna, and there's a look at the alloy wheel. We have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. We also have power assisted rear tailgate with a nice spacious sized boot with storage on the left hand side and storage on the right. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. And there's a look at another alloy wheel and the side skirt extensions. If you go inside, we have full Dakota leather seats, which are very comfortable. ISOFIX points with storage in the centre. Pull down leather armrests with 2 nice size cup holders. We also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers. We also have storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat. We have electric windows, again integrated Harman Kardon speakers, and the driver's seat is heated electric memory as well. If you jump inside, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, as well as a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. This vehicle has done just over 60,200 miles and is free from warning lights on the dash. We also have pedal shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, auto wipers, satellite navigation. We also have media connectivity, which is Bluetooth, aux. We also have DAB radio. Pop it into reverse. We have a rear reversing camera, and you can see the front and rear parking sensors on the right hand side there as well. If we go back, we have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and then Sport Plus. We also have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as you can see. We also have heated front seats, which again work just as you would expect it to. Push this forward, we have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. We can turn traction control on and off. Also can change the drive mode with this. Parking sensors on and off. Put it into drive. Push to the left, we can put the car into manual mode. This is what user control everything happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger seat. And both driver and passenger seat also have extended thigh support. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, a new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.